Hey everyone, well, so we are going to talk about new topic in this time. So, like today I'm in friend's office and we are having this Amal Masti. Like I'm also feeling not good right now. I'm suffering from fever. So yes, I'm feeling good now because we are doing Masti and all the things. Okay, so today my I'm not in home right now. As you guys might be know about, I am living in Delhi right now, and I joined call center job. And these days, if I talk about English communication, I think I'm improving myself in communication field. Like if I'm taking myself in the next level while when I started my journey from, and now I can see there are lots of changes. So this time what will be the suggestion from my side is, you please keep practice yourself and keep busy in studies and English areas where you can improve yourself. If I talk about this there is lots of things right now. What I feel, applications are there, lots of AI is there. If In every one phones available, that is Gemini AI, you can use that and you can chat with that and you can talk with them also, and you can do masti and all the things. Okay, so this is only for today. Take care. Let's discuss about the topic, isn't it? So, as you can see, the topic is my brother today. The name behind the camera is the government right now. He's the president of this team. So let's give up for Mr. Basant. So let's talk about what we are going to have this one. This called, okay, Amal Masti.